control node, all, so now transfer all, right, then PC sudo nice. Then we should hosting control node, right? Then we switch our user. That is control. I think I have a problem. Yes, there's a connection problem. We have. Okay, so I will reconnect to them and come back to you. Okay, I have fixed the issue. So let me add user to the host node in organ. So sudo user, add the user called node, same one, node, right? And we have the host password, the node, right? Clear. Try to add this. You is the right. Let's check and it's called the host node, the host node, right? All now pass all. And we have this sudo. Right. So I'll change the host name is host node, right? Then switch to our user host node. Right, nice. So now what is the next step? The next step is try to install at the first. But let me at the first try to do something. I will try to ping this EC2 that reside within our VPC in org. So if I try here, say ping it, and here I come back, say IP address, try to ping it, copy here, oh, I have the same issue with connect. Yeah. Hi, I have come back again. Sorry. So if I told you, if I tried now to ping on this EC2 instance that reside in the our organ VPC, but I ping, right, and paste it here. So as you can see that we cannot access this EC2 instance. We cannot ping. That is why we have to create the VPC peering connection. We have to create a connection between the two VPC, and that the EC2 instance that reside within this VPC then can communicate with each other, and one can ping to another one. So for that, let me create a VPC connection here. So like here, go to VPC in Oregon, right, or in Paris, and peering connections. Create a peering connection, give it a tag name, VPC, call it Oregon, Paris, and VPC is required. Select the local VPC to peer with. So I have Paris VPC, then our other VPC is reside in the same account but in a different region, another different region. Then in which region it is? In Oregon region. Then we have to copy and paste our VPC ID. So this is our VPC ID. You have to copy it, right? And paste it here, right? Then you have to create a peering connection. So if we go now to add our VPC in Oregon region, we will see a request, the VPC peer connection request. This is our request, and here we'll come and say accept request. Then yes, accept, then close. So now it is provisioning. The next step now to make our EC2 instance to ping each other's, we have to add another thing, is to modify something in the route table in each VPC and try to show the route to access to this VPC. So here in our route table, here in this, there is here our route tables, right? And this route table, go to route and edit a route. And we'll add a route, and we'll say that the traffic that is destined to this IP address is our CIDR block of our VPC. You should go to the peering connection, right? This one, and send traffic to it. And we'll come back the same here and in our Oregon route table within our VPC and try to modify it and add it the same settings that we have created for the VPC or for the route table that is in our Paris region. So the public route, try to say edit routes, then state that any traffic that is destined to this CIDR block go to the peering connection. This one, then save. So if we come back to our peering connection and we see if it is active or not. It is active. And what about the one that is in Paris? Yes, that is cool. So now if we try to come back and try to ping now, as you can see, we can ping now to our EC2 instance that is reside in the Oregon region. The next step now is to install Ansible and try to make requests and commands on our host, a host that is in Paris and the other host that is in Oregon. So for that, let me at the first install Ansible. For that, we'll use Python. There are a lot of methods to install Ansible, but for this,